Hi and welcome to eduglory.com. In this session, we'll be learning different types of SQL database statements. Before we discuss about database, let's learn what is data. In general, data can be facts or figures with respect to any object taken into consideration. For example, name, ID, department, salary, etc. are the data related to employees. Now, let's understand what is database. We have learned what data is, but this data could be random. However, database helps us to arrange this data systematically. In simple words, database is a collection of well-organized information that allows the users to select and retrieve the information quickly and efficiently. The four basic SQL database statements include create database, use database, rename database, and drop database. Let's know how to write database statements to perform various database operations. So, here we start with SQL create database. SQL create database statement helps to create the database. In order to create the database, the syntax would be create database followed by the name of database that you would like to create. For example, if you wish to create the database with name library, then the SQL query would be written as create database library. Make sure that you assign a unique name to database. Remember, it is mandatory to create the database initially while creating a table in Microsoft SQL Server, whereas Oracle enables you to create a table directly without creating database. Here, we'll learn how to select a particular database from the existing multiple databases where various operations will be carried out. So, in order to select the database, the syntax would be use followed by the name of database that you would like to select. For example, if you wish to select and use the database with name library, then the SQL query would be use library. Let's understand how to rename an existing database. At times, when you think to change or rename the existing database, SQL rename database statement will help you to do so. You can rename the database using the syntax rename database followed by the name of an existing database to the new name of database that you would like to assign. For example, if you need to rename the database library to company, the SQL query would be rename database library to company. This SQL statement is used for MySQL database, but the transact SQL query for renaming the database would be alter database library modify name equals to company. Let's also learn to use SQL drop database statement for the removal of an existing database. All the tables and views get deleted using this statement. So, be careful while using drop database statement. To drop the database, the syntax would be drop database followed by the name of database that you would like to remove completely. For example, if you wish to drop the database company, then the SQL query would be drop database company.